Hey guys, HMHPlays2 here, and I'm back on YouTube. I don't know why I keep doing this, but I just stopped recording for a very long time, and then people think I'm dead or just quit. Got a couple of games for you guys, so hopefully we shouldn't be going next time for too long. So at the moment, we're gonna have like a series of The Simpsons Tapped Out, and there's a your favourite card game or something, like Animation Throwdown, I think it's called. See, now I have to work. Never open a book. Right, we gotta build something. The Simpsons house.
Now you'll be so glad you bought that.
The shaded box looks like a nice place to place the house. So we gotta move it to right there. So this is essentially like Heyday, if you've ever played that, Clash of Clans,
Heads up!
SimCity Builder, actually it's more that.
What's your face?
Namaste, by which I mean thanks for finding me. And Lisa doesn't speak like that, I don't know why I speak like that. So we gotta find Marge, Bart, Grandpa and Maggie. Lisa, thank God you're here to guide me through this tutorial. What happened? Difficult to say, sweetie. The town blew up, I built our house and you showed up. All we know for sure is I'm completely blameless. Maybe if we keep building things, Mum and Bart will show up too. I'm sure they will. This thing would be way too sad if they didn't. Then let's do it. But first, we should clean up this place. We should clean this place up a bit. You're joking, right? Wow, you put the house down where it told you to. Leveled up. Oh, we got a donut. So we got a clean Springfield now.
Work? I thought this was a game.
And we get money and XP.
Nap time.
Okay. Cleaning, really? I can't believe that's what passes for fun in games these days. Hang on, guys. Okay. It's tedious, I know. That's why I want to do some too. Make Lisa clean up.
Hey, everybody!
Okay, now Lisa's gonna clean. Oh, that's a lot of money. I found a donut. It looks like one of the donuts from the break room. It must have been eradicated, I don't know, when the plant blew up. Now it has the power to locally speed up time, as well as to buy things for some reason. Nice. We're the only ones here. It's up to us to rebuild Springfield. Or we could just move to Miami. Think about it. Flamingos, palm trees, t-shirts that say Miami on them. It'll be easy. Or at least that's what I'm telling you. To get you to do it. We'll start with our own street. Oh, we gotta build Flanders' house, I think. Okay. We built a road. I feel like Robert Moses in that giant book that told me to read 2 years to read.
Hey!
Like every great architect before me, I just can't architect without a steady supply of salty, fatty snack foods. So this game essentially is basically you gotta build your town up, and like you get characters from the film and stuff like that. So now I need to build the Quickie Mart. One time our house was next to a prison, so I can make a joke about how we lived next to a prison. Then 5 minutes later, no more prison. Weird, huh? Squeaky mud. Squeaky mud. 4 hours to build the Quickie Mart when it only took seconds to build my house. Stupid contractors. Why don't you use that donut we found to speed up?
Heads up!
Oh, it's done.
Kaboom! Yay, it's not Flanders!
Did you hear that, guys? He said, yay, it's not Flanders. 5 minutes. Okay, 5 more minutes and then we'll finish. Okay, we got another donut. Welcome to the Cookie Mud's grand reopen sale. I'm not doing a poo's voice. Everything expiration date is 50% off, and all nutrition information has been removed for your ignorance. Out of my way, it's snack time. Oh no. Glaven, I come from alternate Springfield in parallel universe. Well, you should hurry back there and let the good people of alternate Springfield know that alternate Homo is fixing to blow them up good. Too late, you multi-dimensional train wreck. On the upside, these explosions have kablooied the very fabric out of space and time, making travel between Springfields possible. But that doesn't make any sense. Don't think about it too closely, just accept it and keep playing. Okay, so we can visit other people's Springfields. This game's stupid, but funny at the same time. Ooh! Welcome to the Springfield Prime. As you can see, our city is vastly more advanced than you. Wow, I spend any amount of money, real actual money, to have a town like this. So we got... Oh, I can actually get the money. You'll get one every time you interact with something. Okay, so this is his city. Ooh. Okay, so we're gonna go back home now. Apparently, I'm just confused. Right, we should visit other Springfields every day. Okay, exercise, but all I want is more donuts. Mystery box. 30 donuts. Spend 6 donuts to get 30. What a deal. It might just be beginner's luck. The only way to find out is to buy 100 more of those boxes.
Hey, everybody.
Oh, Quickie Mart. The one place where I can get a hot dog. The poo puts no meat in them at all. If we were willing to drive an extra couple blocks to the supermarket, we could have real food at responsible prices, but we aren't and never will be. Listen, you're not spending a full hour in there. You're not done helping me through this tutorial. Okay, actually. We've got some good money.
Hey, what the?
3 robbery attempts today, all botched. Time to give thanks. Make a poo pray to Ganesh.
Alright.
We're running a little low on cash. Here, got any ideas? We found some cleaner. Maybe we should look for more. I mean, work for our money. Whose daughter are you? Seriously. Or we could find some more donuts. Queen Springfield. Queen Springfield. Plumber's bum. I'm gonna make him clean it even more. It's kind of lonely around here. We should rebuild one of our neighbours' houses. Woo! The sooner I get neighbours, the sooner I can borrow their stuff and never return it. Brown house.
Yeah. Bart, great.
What to do? Heads up!
Welcome, steady customer.
So that's where buildings come from.
Wow.
Can you not?
What to...
We lived next to that brown house for years and I never seen him go in or out. I guess the owner is away a lot. It's nicely furnished, very tasteful. Get away from their window, Dad. Lisa, look. They have 3D TV in their glasses. They're just my size. It must be a sign. You're not going to break into our neighbour's home to watch TV, are you? Of course not. I would hope you'd know me better than that.
What? Well, better than my normal job.
Evergreen Terrace is starting to take shape. Now we need to build the Flanders house. Okay. Let's start by looking for the spot on the map. Well, that makes sense, doesn't it? Okay, and then we'll go back and build house. Road. Okay, I guess we can't build anything yet. Lisa, we've got to decrease the carbon footprint of our city. If you're asking me to turn the lights off when I leave the house, forget it. Actually, I was thinking we should plant some trees. The inconvenient truth is this place looks boring. Plant trees, okay. One there. We'll put one next to the... Actually, we'll put two next to the quickie mart. Remember, kids, if you don't help the environment, you don't get to feel smug about it. Look, we've increased our tree hugging rating. Okay, we leveled up again. Okay, well that's going to do it for this video, guys. If you did like the video, smash the like button. We might be able to get another episode in today, maybe. But I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.